if anybody is abducted, kidnapped, hijacked, or whatever, those are crimes against our laws, or in the eyes of our laws. Therefore, if you are a family that claims any of your family members are either hijacked during this festive season, kidnapped, or abducted, as it may be, make a point of reporting to the police so that they may help you to investigate and bring the culprits to book. Lakini tusiwe tunatumia jina abduction for political expediency. Nimeona wengine hata wanasiasa hasa huko kwetu. Speaker, you'll be shocked. Members of parliament and a few senators, they are now attempting to bribe the police to arrest them to get public sympathy. Mwingine hata anajipeleka kwa gate ya polisi, nimeitwa na hakuna mtu amemuita, ati generate public sympathy. All these things ni vitu ambazo hazitusaidii. As leaders, we should be at the forefront of focusing on issues that affect our people